Heavenly especially is a mid-position digital money right now evaluated at $0.125020 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $3,530,569,679, which explicitly is very huge. Over the essentially past fundamentally couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Heavenly, laid out an essentially solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and really are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, which explicitly is genuinely critical. A few institutional financial backers even for the most part consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against a taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a very significant way. Retail financial backers and dealers generally are especially keen on digital currencies, certainly, for example, Xlm on the grounds that this truly is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources explicitly have the especially potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately exceptionally brief timeframe, or so they really thought. These profits sort of are in every practical sense, impossible in every practical sense, different business sectors, which especially is the justification for why most truly moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Heavenly. While the groundbreaking ones basically commit a huge part of their essentially funding to this quickly creating resource class in an extremely enormous manner. At this genuinely specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Heavenly to the level at $0.125020 where it right now sits, or so they generally thought. As currently referenced, Xlm by and large is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 27th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the really metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. On account of Heavenly, the market capitalization basically remains at $3,530,569,679. The significance of this boundary will especially be in a real sense made sense of later in an extremely significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation truly is planned in genuinely such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to in a real sense, furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the in every way that really matters. Present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily truly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and choose whether or not it certainly needs to sort of be reconfigured in a truly significant manner. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which certainly is in every practical sense essential for the very right assessment of both, for the most part current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its truly present and future, bearing in a by and large significant manner. Beneath you will basically find fundamentally key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could by and large have a comprehension of where the Heavenly market basically is going, or so they most certainly thought. Yesterday, on December 22, Xlm was esteemed at $0.124356 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Really recall that digital currencies certainly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period generally added up to 0.51% in a quite huge manner. 7 days prior, on December 16, Heavenly especially was exchanged at $0.122941 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that explicitly near its genuinely present on November 23, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Xlm at $0.118146. The cost level that really is at the distance of 5.82% from where it presently stands, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. The cost of Xlm and the readings of CVIX generally are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, or so they basically thought. Market capitalization really is one more significant for the most part metric that certainly assists brokers in every practical sense with deciding the notoriety of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an extremely significant manner. It's likewise used to generally evaluate the offer that Heavenly especially holds inside the especially whole cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive manner. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization essentially is somewhat basic. The flowing stock of the money being referred to for the most part is duplicated by its truly current value, which is very huge. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of XLM really remains at $3,530,569,679, enough to name it the 27th sort of the biggest coin on the digital currency market, which explicitly is very critical. Yesterday, on December 22, the market capitalization of Heavenly especially remained at $3,510,546,913, really in spite of mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on December 16, the capitalization of XLM generally was $3,465,725,338 in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on November 23, how much genuinely capital streaming around this specific market generally added up to $305,167,732 in an exceptionally significant manner. Most cryptographic money financial backers especially stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a specific digital currency and its capacity to endure disturbances, which by and large are the especially normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market in an unpretentious manner. The truly greatest stock of Heavenly in every practical sense is 50,001,806,812 XLM. The complete inventory of XLM at present in a real sense remains at 50,001,787,064 coins, which for the most part shows that a month prior, on November 23, how much especially capital streaming around this kind of specific market explicitly added up to $3,305,167,732 in a large significant manner. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under audit by and large is 28,240,112,411 XLM, or so they explicitly thought. This heavenly cost expectation wouldn't sort of be genuinely finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by essentially all digital currency dealers too in every practical sense. Affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move in every way that really matters, huge way. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain truly is happening on the rear of the extremely low exchanging volume. There generally is a genuinely high likelihood that this move really is impractical and would sort of bring about a bullish snare in an unpretentious manner. Consequently, it's critical to really examine the especially past and the especially current exchanging volume of XLM request to sort of comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, showing how over the kind of past in every practical sense, barely any years, digital forms of money, including Heavenly, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and explicitly are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Over the truly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Heavenly market explicitly was enlisted at $71,498,146, showing how underneath you will find in every practical sense key passages of this authentic information with the goal that you also could have a comprehension